Good morning, Ken at Tortoise Capital, February 9th, 2020, for a quick speed run through the boot camp portfolio, Alcoa. So let's see here, let's get to the daily. There we go. Okay, so P1, Dragon rolling up, 30 about to roll up. We're almost ready for an owl, and we're in the spring. And plenty of targets to the upside. That looks good. Apple. It's in the fall. It's holding support pretty nicely here. Nothing special, but not bad. ARC is that special on the that owns a lot of Teslas. We're just studying that. The Aussie dollar getting ready to collapse some more. I think that's an auto short. It's in the winter and spring solstice, get ready to collapse some more. Yeah, and it's below the belly of the den. That's an auto short. Boeing looking really good. That pullback was trivial, and Dragon's rolling up 30, and the 10 are rolling up. The 270 starting to roll. And the 90 has rolled up, and it's getting ready to test the zero line here, spring into summer. Man, that one is an auto buy. Let's look at that one more deeply. Yep, and there's lots of upside too. It's cleared the resistance. That's a screaming buy, and the Bollinger Bands are just starting to open up. Very good. This little swing low, test, pull back, higher low, and testing again. That's ready to go. Caterpillar. This collapsing is problematic. I think I'd be short and add a second position below here. It's at the cusp of winter into spring, but looking weak. Cliff, on the other hand, is the Dragons rolled up. The 30 and the 10 have rolled up. I think you can buy this above the Bollinger Band mean and be happy, and then this would be your first checkpoint, then second checkpoint. And lots of room to go up to here. Cautiously optimistic. On the other hand, if you get a weak market and XLB's weak, then I think you can safely short below here. That's just well postured for tactical trading. Cut. I think you short this one on a breakdown here because you have the 10 rolling over, everything's down. It's in the winter. The Dow's in great shape. Devon Energy, great shape on the long side for energy. Holding support here where it's supposed to, and that means it's going to head right back to here, 27, 26 and a half. Emerging markets, not as good as the Dow. There's better. Not as good as the Dow and EFA. This could be the rebound in Japan. Yeah, that's not bad. As long as it holds support above fair value, I think you can buy this on right back to here. Looking to add a second position if it clears the 90. Mexico, just hybrid frog and then hold 20% if it closes well. The sideways chop is not very convincing. What's the hurry? Intraday only. Brazil, auto short if it gets weak, and then the second position if it drops below here. On the upside, no. Hybrid frog only. I mean, this has already broken through the double low. Home Depot, outstanding. Notice this owl all the way back to fair value, and here it is. So now the pause that refreshes, and an all-time high. Sure, you buy it. The Russell, in good shape. Coal. I think it has to close above the Dragon for you to really be interested, but the fact that this is coming into the station, and if it holds here and breaks above the Dragon, yeah, maybe. I'd like to see that develop some support first. McDonald's, a little concerned about this right here. It's the last time it was here and it couldn't break through a high, lower high, and then a collapse. Then it's had a nice run. Leg 1 support, leg 2, but now it hasn't cleared. And unlike the other indexes, this has fallen through in an orderly fashion. Let's see, this holds some support, but I think you could mechanically buy it intraday and then hold a piece, but it really has to get through about 217. Reluctant on that one. Clean energy. Not impressed. This roll over here, I think you can get short here. Second position here. Fair value there. On the other hand, though, if it gets back above, I think mechanical long, I think you can buy that one too. So this one looks to me like a really nice, it's postured in either direction. We've tried it short once already. SCO still looking good. We moved our stop up into here. Simon Property Group, double top rolling over. Target Bollinger Band mean. Treasuries. Good shape for defensive plays. I think you can buy the breakout with a stop below the dragon and then a second position above the 10. Tesla, jeez, just hard to understand. I keep saying that, but I'm steering clear of that one for at least a week. Natural gas, I'm going to give it one more, and then if that doesn't hold, we're going to cover this. That oil short is looking good. I move my stop down to here. I want to lock in that gain. VXX, we took our hit here. This is favoring the long side, really. Excuse me. The Wiz exit. We cashed that long one. Am I ready to get back? No. This rollover was still troublesome. I think it's got to get above 27.94 before we're interested. I got to get out of this short. This doesn't feel right. This dragon is finding support. Hasn't failed further. This has rolled over. Volatility declining. Coming through the spring, almost to the summer. We're gonna exit that one. Wheat and precious metals. Still in the long. Stop is here. We'll see how it goes. That's a stop and reverse if that hits. Win. Still long. Stop is here. Still in the short. Let's see how this goes. Not very convincing. XLB. I just wish I had stopped and reversed that one. Sure missed the heck out of that. But let's see. We'll try this here. If it breaks above there, I'm long. If it breaks below there, I'm short. I don't mind that exit though. That's getting short and then covering right away. Can't stay wrong too long. Protected against all of that. That's not bad. Energy sector. We covered the short here. Sorry. Just didn't update the chart. So I think I'll get short here again. I think that, and then I would be long here. That's my trade frame. Finance, we're long from here. Tech, we resumed that one there. Nice. That's still working. Move the stop up to here. And that's the speed run. See you in the chat room.